Oh, Van time. God, you really are cute. Bye! No, you can't come with. See ya. Oh, don't be sad. Good morning. Can I have a medium iced coffee original, please? All right, next stop. Menards. Yeah! Got the goods. Decorative finish trim for the van. Van time. It was Halloween. I was Machine Gun Kelly. Athena was Megan Fox. Should I do it? Oh, it's peeling. I'll probably get him eventually. Maybe one. Right now, not right now here. Right now, benches. Exciting, I know. Bathroom's done, ready for finish, and I'm working on the bench here. What we really need to do is make this bench worthy, so it... Let's get those rocking and rolling. Double duty on this little door. Oh, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh, wow. Wow. Well, this thing's pretty heavy, so there's definitely no soft close feature anymore. But that's okay, because we are going to add a gas strut on the side here. That gas strut, when you open it, goes psss, holds it open, and then you have to push against it to close it, so psss. That's the plan. That was a success. Only other thing I want to do today is get this here battery back in the van and see if it'll start up. Nothing lighting up. That's not good. Plot twist. Plot twist. Plot twist. I opened up the hood. There's a second fucking battery. Turns out the battery under the driver's seat is an auxiliary battery. It doesn't actually do anything for the van. It's just, you can have it to power stuff in the thing. This one under the hood starts the thing. If that battery doesn't do anything, we get the swivel seat. And we can take this one out, put the charged one in here, go charge this one, use that for something. This vlog just had a second life, baby. It's beeping. Now I need the key. This is the best sign all day. Oh, it's freaking out. No. No. Did I fuck it? Well, folks, I think this is the real end today, but only the beginning of this battery saga. We saw lights! See you tomorrow. By the way, it might not look like it, but this is like 2 days from finished. We're leaving town.